Hey guys, so I always start by sectioning off a little piece of my hair or whatever, and I have this little brush that I bought from the dollar store. I just saw it one day and I bought it, and that's what I use. I've stuck with it ever since. And then I use that extreme gel or whatever it's called, and I put that through my hair, through that section, and make sure I always get it close to my scalp, because when I don't, my hair tends to get super frizzy, or it just feels weird and thick closer to my scalp, and I don't like that. So I always try to get it as close as I can to my scalp first, and then I work my way down. And then when I get closer to my ends, I make sure the product is really close to my ends, because it gets frizzy down there too, or it just won't look like my curls are as defined. So that's basically what I do. And then after that, I like to run through the brush again sometimes and make sure my curls are all together or whatever. So now I'm going in with the hair paint wax, and this is silver. So about this wax, I really like the wax. I've had blue before, but I'm not gonna lie, the silver just doesn't look right on my hair. I mean, I love the silver on everybody else's, that's why I bought it, but it just looks it just looks funny on me. You know, like when you do your natural hair and there's product in it and it's still wet, little shampoo, conditioner still left in it, and it's got that white film over it. That's what it looks like in my hair. I still love the product, no doubt. Like, I love hair paint wax, and I still have 3 more bottles of different colors. I'm not gonna stop using that stuff, but this color just wasn't for me. Maybe we'll see how it is tomorrow. Maybe it'll be better. But also about this wax, it's very, I don't know, it's really thick, so it's almost like a defining cream within itself. Like, if you don't really want to, if you want to just wash your hair, put some moisturizer in it, and then go straight into the wax, you really could. Like, it's not one of those things that is damaging your hair. It really helps, if we're being honest. So here I am again. I'm going through another section. That's basically what I'm doing the whole video. I'm just combing through, then getting the gel, going over it, and putting in the wax. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but I do use black castor oil as soon as I get done washing my hair. So I wash it, then I dry it a little bit with a t-shirt, not completely, but I dry it a little bit with a t-shirt, and then I put in the black castor oil. That's basically to give my hair some moisture, I would say. I don't like most greasy products. That's the only one that like really gets the job done, I would say. I just put that in there and kind of finger comb my hair after I put that in, because it's easier to do with that oily product rather than just doing it with nothing. And now that I'm watching this video, it's so funny. You would think I have some damn leftover food on my bottom lip the way I'm chewing on it. But that's just a habit I do when I'm doing my hair. Like, nothing's on my mouth, but I chew the hell out of my bottom lip. Sorry. Okay, so you guys, we have the finished product. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up.